My name is Brandon Blau. I'm Regional Director for Infor and ASEAN. Well, there's a lot of changes. It's becoming an ever more competitive environment. First off, customer expectations have changed. People expect costs to go down, response times to go down, quality to go up. That's a very competitive environment that squeezes margins. Second, I would say, again, you're seeing trends towards logistics providers providing a broader set of services beyond just 3PL, extending new services to end customers and taking those off of manufacturers. And I would expect to see that trend to continue. Well, I think in Asia, logistics will continue to exponentially grow. I mean, you're talking about the manufacturing bed of most good things built in the world with a large export market globally. So with levels of sophistication, I think you're going to see more online e-commerce type of solutions with suppliers, with customers. I think you're also going to see a real war for talent, because the biggest thing, as we've discussed earlier, is no matter how good the technology is, your processes are driven by professionals. And the war for talented management will be an ever more competitive battle here. Look, I think Infor is very well positioned for growth opportunities. I mean, if you look in the logistics and manufacturing space, we have a very strong customer base there already, with thousands of customers in Asia Pac. We have over 250 3PL logistics solution providers running on our supply chain platform. So where do I see growth? I see growth in analytics. Analytics across not only at the customer side, but across what the logistics providers are providing. I see growth in terms of human capital management. As I've said, getting the right people on board, developing them, keeping your top talent, that's going to be a critical success factor for us. And the third thing I'd say is around integration, because any supply chain platform is only as good as the data that it's able to share with other existing systems. So I think, again, along those lines, analytics, people management, human capital management, and then also integration and workflow with existing systems, huge opportunities for us. I think the biggest challenge is still along the lines of a lack of people with strong logistic business leadership skills. And I think that's something that will continue to be a problem as the growth expands here. I also think changing customer preferences. People want instant answers, right? People want to be able to access solutions and get data on their mobile devices as well as at their desktop. So those changing preferences, keeping pace with those and making sure you have the right people and you keep your top talent, that'll continue to be difficult for everybody. Let's go back to where I saw the opportunities. First off, with analytics. Infor has a very strong suite of business intelligence with a data vault that takes different transactions from our systems and from third parties. It aggregates them and it allows you to give real-time business intelligence and business view of your business, as well as alerts that push work to people, exceptions, for instance, if a key customer misses a delivery time period, gets an alert to the right stakeholder to make a change. So that's one big, that analytics pushing more alerts and actionable intelligence to users, critical. Another key item is around the integration. We have Intelligent Open Network, which is our ION platform that's got integration built in, it's got a workflow and alerts, and it will enable you to connect your existing systems with the logistics platform to make sure you're sharing information. Final thing would be human capital management. We have a very strong suite of people management tools, workforce management, talent management, career succession planning, right? With a development hub that's based here in Manila, so really close to the regional needs. So I think those are three areas that we're well placed to capture some of that growth. Oh, I thought it was exciting. It was a very diverse group of presenters. I like the focus, getting a lot of case studies and getting perspectives both from customer, supplier, and a lot of talk about how to collaborate better. So I thought it was a worthwhile event, very much so. We're delighted to be silver sponsors this year. That's absolutely our plan. We're hoping to be back next year. And one of the things we're really excited about is our new Mingle, our social enterprise platform, that allows you to set up a Facebook type of interface for your enterprise and with your partners. A lot of our customers are rolling this out now, and next year at this time we hope to talk more about